This is OnePlus 11, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can find and see your mobile phone number on desktop. So that's a very simple and quick procedure to perform. So first of all, you will need to launch settings, then go into about device category. In here, go for the status, and once you will open the SIM card status page, at the phone number field, you'll be able to check what phone number the SIM card that you have inserted has saved into its memory. So in my case, that's the phone number for the SIM1, and SIM2 does not have its phone number saved, so I will have to call some other device perhaps and see the phone number this way I mean. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.